Okay, I just put this new water line on for my refrigerator, and I was starting to turn it on, and I see all the dirt that's built up when you turn it right back on. This is why you need a good water filtration system on your line. I'm going to turn it on. See how all that dirt is in your water line? And it shoots right through, and it's going right upstairs. Now the line is clear. This is why it's good to have a refrigerator that has a filter on it, because you drink this in your water. Just wanted to give a little heads up. Thank you.